slapping a sticker on your arm to melt away fat. Sounds like something straight out of a science fiction novel from the 80s. It is the ultimate dream of the modern era. We want the results without the sweat or the salads. That is exactly where these berberine patches come into play. They are popping up all over social media feeds with promises of effortless weight loss. The pitch is simple. You wear a patch. Your metabolism kicks into high gear. Your appetite vanishes. You do not have to swallow giant pills or deal with a weird aftertaste. It sounds perfect on paper. The ingredients themselves are actually quite legitimate. Berberine is a heavy hitter in the wellness world. It comes from various plants. It has been used for centuries. Modern studies show it can help manage blood sugar. It can support metabolic health when you actually ingest it. Then you have cinnamon and chromium. These are the classic trio for blood sugar support. But here's the massive sticking point that nobody wants to talk about. Your skin is not a sponge. It is a fortress. Evolution designed our skin to be a barrier against the outside world. It keeps bacteria out. It keeps water in. Only certain types of molecules can actually pass through the skin barrier and enter the bloodstream. This is a process called transdermal delivery. We know it works for things like nicotine or certain hormones. Those molecules are small and fat soluble. Berberine is a different story. There is very little clinical evidence showing that this compound can penetrate the skin in high enough doses to actually do anything for your weight. It is a large, complex molecule. It does not just slide through the pores easily. The digital marketing surrounding these patches is remarkably polished. You see the high-energy testimonials. You see the heavy discounts that make you feel like you need to buy right now. It creates this sense of urgency and excitement. But we have to remember that a beautiful website does not equal solid science. Where are the long-term studies specifically for this patch delivery method? Where are the independent reviews on platforms that the company does not control? When a product makes bold claims about fat burning, we need bold evidence. The reality is that metabolism is a deeply complex system. It is influenced by your genetics. It is influenced by your sleep patterns and your stress levels. It is influenced by the movement of your body. A single patch is not a magic wand. It cannot override a poor diet or a sedentary lifestyle. These patches might be a real product that you can buy and receive in the mail. They are likely not a total ghost scam. But the gap between the marketing claims and the biological reality is massive. We have to be smart consumers. We have to ask the hard questions about how these things actually work inside the human body. Before you jump on the latest wellness trend, talk to a professional. Get a real opinion. Your health is worth more than a catchy ad and a sticker. Real change happens from the inside out through consistency and balance. Stick to what is proven to work for your unique body.